right, Riders, Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, we are going to be looking at ChatGPT's response to this persuasive essay style question. And the question was, should textbooks be replaced by tablets or e-readers? In a previous video, I constructed an introduction, a body paragraph, and a conclusion with on the same topic. And I was able to construct my essay in just under 25 minutes, creating 231 words. However, when I prompted ChatGPT, it was able to construct a much bulkier essay and was able to write 487 words, obviously in a shorter amount of time. In this case, we're going to take a look at the AI prompt itself, and we're going to look at ChatGPT's response to the same persuasive question. The prompt that I gave the AI was create a persuasive essay on the following topic. Should textbooks be replaced by tablets or e-readers? And now we're going to take a look at ChatGPT's response. The title ChatGPT gave was Embracing the Future, the case for replacing textbooks with tablets or e-readers. And I'm going to go ahead, right, writers, and increase my screen so we can take a look at each paragraph and I can make some general comments and then move on to the next paragraph. Here's how ChatGPT begins their introduction on this prompt. And obviously, they are supporting the idea of replacing textbooks with tablets or e-readers. The introduction first, right, writers? In today's fast-paced digital world, advancements in technology are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and learn. With the advent of tablets and e-readers, it is natural to question whether traditional textbooks still have a place in our education system. This essay will argue that textbooks should be replaced with tablets or e-readers, as they offer numerous advantages, such as cost effectiveness, convenience, and improved learning outcomes. So obviously we see, right, writers, that it is very specific in what the essay is going to focus on. They are arguing that, in fact, textbooks should be replaced with tablets and e-readers. And we have direction in the introduction. We know that the essay is going to discuss three specific concerns or advantages, in this case, not concerns, but rather advantages or benefits. The essay is going to discuss the cost effectiveness of tablets and e-readers. It's going to discuss the convenience. It's going to discuss the improved learning outcomes. So notice how it is very focused, the essay. Let's take a look at the first body paragraph. Again, I am confident it's going to focus on the cost effectiveness because, again, when you have a thesis, you want to make sure your paragraphs follow the order in which you present the information. One of the primary reasons to replace textbooks with tablets or e-readers is their cost effectiveness. Textbooks can be extraordinarily expensive, resulting in financial burdens on students, parents, and educational institutions. Conversely, tablets and e-readers offer a more cost-effective option as they allow for the digital storage of numerous textbooks. By utilizing ebooks, students can save significant amounts of money and resources, reducing the financial barrier to access quality educational materials. So notice again, right, writers, how they focused on the cost effectiveness, and that's what this paragraph was about. They could have also talked about, the environmental benefits, but again, notice it was focused on the students or the learners' financial burdens. Outstanding paragraph. Notice the transition words, conversely, and rather than using however or in contrast, that is a great what is called a conjunctive adverb that can be utilized within a paragraph. Let's take a look at the next paragraph, which should focus on the convenience. In today's interconnected world, the convenience and accessibility offered by tablets and e-readers cannot be ignored. Traditional textbooks can be cumbersome and heavy, requiring students to carry around several volumes. On the other hand, tablets and e-readers are lightweight and portable, enabling students to carry their entire library with ease. Notice the transition words of, or the transition of on the other hand. And they again focused on the convenience. Let's go ahead and go to this next body paragraph. Furthermore, tablets and e-readers provide additional features such as text-to-speech capabilities, adjustable font sizes, and interactive elements. These features accommodate students with diverse learning styles and abilities, making educational content more accessible and inclusive. By embracing digital platforms, we can empower students to learn at their own pace and engage with content in ways that suit their individual needs. Now, let's take a look at, and they talk about the enhancing learning outcomes. And so it looks like this next body paragraph will focus on that. And it looks as if they also add additional information in that next body paragraph. So, looking forward to taking a look. I definitely see multiple transition words. And let's take a look at ChatGPT's response. Technology has the potential to enhance learning outcomes. Tablets and e readers encourage active and interactive learning experiences, fostering higher engagement and knowledge retention. With multimedia elements like videos, interactive quizzes, and simulations, learning becomes more interactive and dynamic, stimulating critical thinking and creativity. Moreover, digital platforms enable immediate access to supplementary resources, providing students the opportunity for deeper exploration and understanding. Additionally, tablets and e readers allow for real time updates and revisions to content. Traditional textbooks often become outdated, lacking current information and discoveries in rapidly evolving fields. By using digital resources, students can access the most up to date and relevant information, ensuring they stay at the forefront of their respective fields. Notice how they elaborate. Outstanding use of transition words. Let me focus on that for a moment. Right, writers with words such as moreover, with words such as additionally, and they provide that again as transition words. Notice how they're using them in conjunctive adverb like ways, meaning they start the sentence with the transition word followed by a comma. Let's go ahead and move on to the next paragraph. Some argue, okay, so here we have a counter argument being presented within the persuasive essay. However, if you are under very tight time constraints, you may or may not have time for this. But in fact, ChatGPT offered a counter argument or the counter argument within their essay. Some argue that the use of tablets and e readers may lead to excessive screen time and distractions. However, notice the transition word, however. However, responsible implementation of these devices can mitigate these concerns. Establishing guidelines for device usage, encouraging offline reading when possible, and utilizing software and applications that promote focused learning can help create a balance between technology and traditional learning methods. So again, really appreciate ChatGPT's ability to again bring up the counter argument. And now we have our conclusion paragraph. In conclusion, notice the transition word in conclusion. Embracing digital platforms such as tablets and e-readers holds great potential for the education sector. The cost effectiveness, convenience, and improved learning outcomes they offer outweigh the advantages of traditional textbooks. Notice how, again, the thesis was introduced in the conclusion. By adopting these technologies, we can create a more inclusive, engaging, and future focused learning environment. Let us pave the way for a new era in education, where textbooks become relics of the past and tablets and e readers become the catalysts for future success. Love that last sentence, I have to say. This is definitely, I love the idea of the textbooks becoming relics of the past. And love this catalyst, and let these e-readers become and tablets become the catalyst for future success. Really, really love that. Obviously, in a previous video, I took the opposite approach of maintaining textbooks. However, ChatGPT gave a different response. What I do find fascinating was that ChatGPT has included basically what I would consider a disclaimer in these essays. And this is the first time that I have seen this since I have been interacting with ChatGPT and asking it to respond to different persuasive prompts. And so you may see these disclaimers in your interactions with ChatGPT. And the disclaimer stated, note, this essay is for illustrative purposes only and does not reflect personal opinions. So I found that to be quite fascinating, right, writers? And I hope that you found this activity to be useful, helpful in your writing journey and in your experience with AI and in ways to interact with ChatGPT, in providing even more examples on how to address essay prompts, and in this case, how to address a persuasive prompt on the following topic, which was, should textbooks be replaced by tablets or e-readers? Thank you so much, Right Writers, for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your week, that you find it productive and creative, and I wish you the best. Until next time, Right Writers, love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and recommending this channel to others. Take care, Right Writers. See you next time. Bye-bye.